Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet already, definitely do make sure you check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this move down as likely just a pullback to this last wave up. We got our Fibonacci retracement on there. We got one impulsive down, and then we have a move up with a break of structure, which is a great sign for a wave A and a wave B. Now, if we're already in a wave C, then it goes down and bounces from a fib level and goes up and breaks again. Then we'll know that we have the end of a three-way pattern. If we have the end of a three-way pattern, that most likely would be the continuation of the uptrend. So for me personally, as more of a swing trader, I'm only looking for longs because I'm a swing trader, unless it goes down and takes out this low right here. If you're a very short time frame trader, trading like below the 1 hour time frame, then you're probably still looking for shorts because we don't have the end of a pullback yet, most likely. So we have impulsive down, probably a wave A. We have move up, break a structure. One, two, three waves up, probably a wave B. We're probably still kind of drifting down for a wave C, which will probably either go down to the 61 or the 78%, maybe something like that, and then turn back up. If you see something like that, that is definitely the entry I would be looking for the continuation of the uptrend. And if you're trying to go long, the safest way to do it is put your stop loss below the 100%. So that way it can do any kind of a crazy correction at once and you won't get stopped out of a good trade. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.